I'm going to show you the best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs that can make you anywhere between $500, $1,000, and $2,000 with just the click of a button. Now, I recently created a complete breakdown on how to create an affiliate marketing business from A to Z. So make sure you check out that video first because I go in depth on how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. In this video, I'm going to show you the best programs that you can start promoting to start building your affiliate marketing business. Now, in my previous video on how to start a affiliate marketing business, I recently showed you how to go to places like ClickBank and Digistore. There you can find public high-ticket affiliate marketing products. But in this video, I want to show you the best private high-ticket affiliate marketing product that maybe a lot of you have never heard of. But the reason I want to show you these private high-ticket affiliate marketing products is because typically these are the better high-ticket affiliate product that you can promote for your high-ticket affiliate marketing business. So private high-ticket affiliate marketing product number one is going to be passive affiliate profits. Now, I'm going to walk you through the entire affiliate program. Also, I'm going to walk you through the affiliate side of things. But first, I wanted to tell you more about the creator of passive affiliate profit. Now, I first came across Zach after one of his YouTube videos showed up in my recommended videos. And when I watched his video, I was immediately impressed as he was teaching affiliate marketing in a different way. Now, while Zach is a very successful affiliate marketer and CEO of his own company, he has not had it easy on his online journey. Before he became an affiliate marketer, he worked a dead-end job, 9-to-5 job at the post office, and he ended up being hit by a drunk driver on his motorcycle and had severe injuries that left him in a lot of pain. Soon he became a heavy drinker and had over $50,000 in debt that he had to worry about. He left for the Philippines to escape creditors and eventually discovered affiliate marketing. Even then, he struggled to make money online. Thanks to a mentor he found, he learned the skills needed to make a steady income online. Now Zach teaches others how to do the same using the same strategies that have led him to become a multi-millionaire. So let's take a look of what it looks like on the inside of passive affiliate products. Another cool thing I like about Zach is that he takes the time to make some real appealing websites. And this is the Passive Affiliate Profits website right here where you can opt in and begin the course if you want. And as you can see, he's very detailed, nice cool graphics, videos, testimonials, reviews, all those things you look for when you're thinking about making a purchase with any affiliate marketing program. Let's hop into the back office. After you make that small investment of, I think it's $7 to join this affiliate marketing course, he gives you tons of value for that $7. So as you can see, it's broken down into easy to follow modules. He's present in all the videos and he breaks it down step by step. So he starts you off with right here, welcome to Passive Affiliate Profit. Starts here. He's gonna eliminate a lot of that fluff and he goes straight into it. Module 1 after that is going to be how to make millions with affiliate marketing, and he breaks this down. He shows you how to launch your affiliate marketing business. Once you do that, he even tells you the biggest thing what everybody struggles with how to get traffic and leads. He's going to show you how to close more sales using Instagram. He's really more of an Instagram buff versus like TikTok and other platforms, but he's really skilled and knowledgeable and an expert on that platform. Just want to show you what it looks like on the inside of one of the videos when you click on one of the modules. So this is the first steps. Watch this first, the start here video. And as you can see, he breaks it down step by step. You watch the video, you can stop and pause it and follow along. Click the click here button. Step 2, subscribe to his channel. Of course, he wants to grow his YouTube channel. And if you need anything, as you can see, he has a great support team right here. And they reply back. I had some issues with them. They were very fast, very prompt, and very knowledgeable. And I was very satisfied and pleased with their service. So let's hop into the affiliate side of things. How much commissions do you actually make with this program? All right, so right off the bat, he pays you 50% commissions, all right, which is great. Most people do 30 or even less. So he gives you 50% if you resell or refer somebody who makes a purchase to the $7 course, which you bought yourself. So you'll get roughly $3.50. But the cool thing about this, you can still make some high ticket sales and commissions, even off the $7 that you invested. So you can get 1,001% back on your return. So if you're a Passive Affiliate Profits member and the customer you refer buys any of his coaching programs, you'll make $1,000. They bought it, and even if you haven't bought it yourself, you will make $1,000 for any of his future products or any of his current products that he's selling at high ticket levels. Now, if you are yourself an MCS member, which is his main core offer, you can make $1K, $2K, $5K, and $10,000 commissions. Hey, what's going on, everyone? While you're watching this, I wanted to tell you about my brand new free course I just launched, and I'm going to break it down for you for just a few seconds in 3, 2, 1. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. So private high ticket affiliate marketing product number 2 is going to be Passive Income Blueprints by Eric Forner. Now, he has created a 12-day masterclass where he breaks down on how to start affiliate marketing from scratch in 12 days, step by step. Now, inside the actual course, he breaks it down in 5 modules that you can do over the course of 12 days. So first is going to be the module with the introduction to the 12-day class, where he breaks down a lot of stuff of what to expect. Now, he's a big TikToker. All right, and I'm a TikToker myself, so he shows you how to get traffic to your affiliate marketing business using TikTok, one of the greatest platforms on the internet right now. Now, this is inside one of the modules, and in this case, Ultimate TikTok Traffic. He breaks it down step by step with videos and diagrams. He even gives you documents that you can watch. So here's one of them, the power of TikTok. How to create content. So this is content creation 101, creating content that sells. So you can't just put out any type of content. He shows you how to put out content that gets leads and converts them into customers where you can make commissions. So once you sign up, you can become an affiliate for Passive Income Blueprints, and he rewards all of his affiliates 35% recurring commission. As long as your customers that you refer to his program are members, you're going to get recurring income each and every single month. Now, private high ticket affiliate marketing product number 4 is going to be the Infinite Passive Income Quest. Now, this is my course, and I'm super excited to tell you guys about it, and it's super easy to join, and I break it down for you step by step. I'm going to show you over the course of 72 hours how you can create a 7-figure income business from home and start making $100,000 per year. And don't worry, there's no products or experience, so not even much time is needed. I break this course down into 3 phases. So phase 1 is going to be your success roadmap, where you're going to learn the insanely powerful blueprints to make 6- and 7-figure commissions as a complete beginner. Phase 2, I'm going to show you the automated sales system that you can copy and use as your own from me. And literally, you can watch me build out the passive income business step by step in front of you. I'll even give you my course to use as your own, which allows you to promote 15 plus different programs at once. And in phase 3, I teach you how to unlock insane traffic. So you're going to unlock unlimited customers to your offers that you're promoting. I'm going to show you the 3 secret traffic methods I use to generate hundreds of thousands of leads without ever paying for ads. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. So I wanted to keep this real simple for you guys because affiliate marketing can be very overwhelming at times. So you just got 3 modules that you can watch over the course of 3 days. So day 1 is going to be your mission and your goals. So I'm going to show you your mission objectives. And then day 2, I'm going to teach you all about the automations. Don't worry, if you like ClickFunnels, you can use that. That's my favorite, but I show you how to build automations also with System.io. And then day number 3 is going to be the traffic explosion. I'm going to show you how traffic equals sales broken down for you step by step. And you're going to get a course that's already done for you that you can promote, rebrand, and sell it as your own. So right now, at the time of this video, I'm paying all of my affiliates 50% recurring commissions. Now, if you would like to sign up for the Infinite Passive Income Quest, I'm going to make sure I leave the link down at the bottom in the YouTube description of this video. Now, private high ticket affiliate marketing product number 3 is going to be Amazing Selling Machine. Now, the Amazing Selling Machine has been around for a while and has made millionaires out of many people that have signed on to become their affiliate, and it has made millionaires out of people that have signed up to learn how to create their own business from scratch. The Amazing Selling Machine basically teaches you how to build your own 6-figure business leveraging the world's largest online mall, which is, of course, Amazon. You're going to get the step-by-step system to sell on Amazon from a team of e-commerce experts with over $200 million in sales. And here are 3 of those experts right here: Matt Clark, Mike McCleary, and Devin Darash. Matt is the CEO and founder of Amazing.com and the creator of the Amazon Selling Machine and owner of 2 8-figure companies. Then you got Mike McCleary, who's the Chief Product Officer at Amazing.com and the President of Zoof.com. Google it. Coming in at 3rd is Devin Darash, who is the VP of Product at Amazing.com, and he's also a 7-figure Amazon seller. To give you a bigger perspective of how serious these guys are at making millionaires out of people just like me and you, they've worked with Sir Richardson Branson, who's the founder of Virgin Group, and then we've all heard of Damon John, who's one of the sharks on Shark Tank, Robert Kiyosaki, who's the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. To give you a sneak peek of what's inside of their program, they got the welcome module, which is the 7 principles of success. And then there's module 1, how to find your first product. Module 2, setting up your business. Module 3, how to do the order inventory and create your own brand. Going into module 4, it shows you how to build your own brand assets. Module 5 is how you're going to create a profitable listing. These guys have jam-packed their program full of information and value. I can't name all these modules, but there's 12 in total with 120 lessons and over 20 plus hours of proven Amazon FBA content. Now let's talk about the affiliate side of things with Amazing Selling Machine, okay? So during their last launch, which was a few years ago, affiliates earned a combined $1,096,925 overall. So how much can you earn as an amazing ambassador for the Amazing Selling Machine? You can earn up to $1,200 per referral. On top of that, a side note, they have an amazing community. They also have an amazing support team. They are there waiting to give you any assistance you may have if you need some troubleshooting support. Now, if you enjoyed this video on the top private high ticket affiliate marketing products, I want you to comment high ticket down below. That'll let me know that you enjoyed it, and it's going to inspire me to create more content just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. And as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.